Okay, guys, I'm just gonna show you a system that can actually help you do outreaching. But with this here, we have a research-based agent in Make.com that's gonna do a research about the specific company or the contact that you're trying to outreach to from your Airtable contacts, and then it's gonna do a research about them. And then from that research, we then have an email module in Make.com that's gonna trigger and put that research that we have about this company to use that as an icebreaker. And then we have another AI agent that did that work for us using Abacus AI that have find about this company to build a hook for us and based on their company current situation. So what this does here, I'll just share my screen. This is the system. So we Make.com here, we have Airtable. So this is basically where all the contacts are, where I want to send the outreaches to. But I don't just want to send the generic outreaches to this client. I want to chase them for their most recent award, whatever that might be, something that can make your message looks like it's not spam. Because if you just send a spam message, they're just gonna see the message and probably ignore it. But if you do a research about this prospect and then tell them about their hook or the pain point that you find about their current process within the business, and then use your email around that, that's gonna improve your chance for them people to actually reply to your messages. And here, what this does here, we're watching our record on Airtable to get the least information. We have this automation here, Perplexity. What this does here, we prompted in there. This is just gonna go and research about this prospect using their company name and so on. What it then gonna do here is gonna write an email for us on the research that we find about this prospect here. We're gonna use that research and then add that onto the email that we built on here. So I'll show you the email in a second as well. So for example, if I go to my Gmail, you see that automation is currently running. So we just find this is the research that we've done about them, and this is the hook that we have about them from the Abacus AI agent that we used to research about this company and then give us automation opportunity. And this is the CTA that we're using to give them a free demo call. But that's literally it for this automation. Very simple but very powerful as well. This icebreaker that we just put in here, this is the killer here, because this is what is actually giving us the research of based on what they recently have achieved in the company. So this will tell them straight, these people definitely know something about us, so they know as spam. That is literally the only reason you get ad from your email marketing. So if you're an agency owner, this is what you need, bro. Like, I tried sending outreaches, so many of them, but there was just generic. And this one here is actually looking good. Doing a research phase and then using the hook that you have about these people and then give them a CTA. I think that makes totally sense on here. So if you want to know exactly how I build this system, or if you want to copy and paste this exact system into your Make.com and start running your outreaching, just comment it below. I'll definitely send you the blueprint here. All it takes for me is just click share and send it to you. So yeah, if you come across this, I do believe it's something that's definitely gonna help you. With that being said, guys, just a quick tutorial here. I'm just gonna leave it here.